In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 3755 printer. Let's get started right away. Open the Play Store. In the search and type HP Smart. Here we go to install the HP Smart app over there. Once this is done, it's time to put your printer into pairing mode. To do this, it must be turned on. Over here on the control panel, you see there is a network button, this one, and there's an X button. We have to press both of them at the same time until the power button light starts blinking. I'm going to hold these down until this button blinks. Okay, it blinks. Before opening the app, connect the printer to Wi-Fi network. Then I'm going to go back and open the HP Smart app. Once you open the app, you should see this screen appearing, and you're going to press on the top right corner where you see a printer with a plus sign. Then from this screen, you're going to press this over here already connected to network, and you should see your HP printer in this list. Click on it. Wait a few seconds. Now if you see this message, you can ignore it, and it will be added on your main screen. You can tap on your printer now. Here we're going to have multiple options. These are not options that you're going to use often, but it's good to know that there is a few of them available there. Then if you want to print something, it's very easy. You're going to go down and select Print Photos if you want to print pictures or print documents. You're going to find the file you want to print on your phone. Then once you tap on the file you want to print, it will appear like this. Tap on Print Preview here on the lower left side. From here, tap on this small arrow. You're going to get more options. From here you can modify, first of all, which printer. Make sure that HP DeskJet 3755 series is selected. Paper, choose the size of your paper. Mine is just the letter size. How many copies, the print quality if you want to print in color or black and white, and when you're done, press print. Over here, don't forget to extend this paper tray because the result will come out here. Perfect. This is how you print. Then on the app, going to press done. We just want to go on the main menu. Over here, you're going to see a scan printer scan here. You see? Tap on this option. Take the smartphone. From here, well, you can select on top a few options. You have page size, quality. Quality is important. If you're scanning some important document or picture, select best at 300 dpi. If not, keep it at 200. It's plenty if it's just text. Then select if you want color or black and white, press done. If you're thinking scanning multiple pages of one document and combining them in one PDF, select batch instead of document. I'll select document and press scan. It will simply scan it like this, and you can see the results appearing on your phone. It's a preview of what got scanned. You can adjust those corners here by dragging them until you're satisfied. Then you're going to press next and you got your scan. Now it's time to save it or to share it. You can also print what you scan. If you want to print, press print preview and go ahead and do the same thing we did previously and print it. If you want to share or save, tap this. Here you're going to rename the file the way you want. You can give it any name you want. Then file type. If it's a text document, I suggest you keep it to basic PDF. If it's an image, choose JPEG. Most people won't use the other ones down below. Then press continue. This is it. Once you're done, you can quit this. That's all. This is how you use and connect your HP DeskJet 3755 to any smartphones to be able to print and scan via Wi-Fi. I hope this was useful.